Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade to any iOS version without a computer using Uncover Gold, guys. So as you can see, guys, we got the blob right here that you download. It's super crazy, and we've got all the different iOS versions. So this is awesome, guys, and as I said, you do not need a computer for this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see right here, we literally have every version of iOS, guys. It's super awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically, Uncover Gold is a version of Uncover that works, and as you can see, it says Uncover Downgrade. It works without a computer, so it is super crazy. And you can see it says Downgrade right there. So if you want to do this, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it. So before we do it, we need to go to Settings, and we need to make sure that we are updated to whatever we want. So for me, I'm on iOS 14.8. So obviously, if I want to downgrade, so let me just go here, and I want to show you guys my version. So that is my version, iOS 14.8. I am going to be downgrading. So what you want to do after this, guys, is go ahead and go down here, and you just want to go down right here, guys, to where it says battery, and make sure the low power mode is off, because if this was on during the download, it would cause it to fail. And once you have done that, guys, you're pretty much all set. So just go to General, and you just want to go ahead and go down here to where it says Background App Refresh, and make sure this is turned on. This allows apps to go ahead and refresh content, so make sure you have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. You obviously do not want it set to off, and you're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, guys, you're pretty much all set. So all you have to do now is go ahead and go up here to the search bar, and this is more of a precautionary step, but what you want to do is just type in Safari. Once you're in the Safari section, you're going to see an option called Block All Cookies, and you want to make sure you have this turned off. Now, if this is on, it will mess things up and make sites appear weird and downloads fail, so make sure Block All Cookies is turned off, and you're going to be all set. So once you've done that, you're pretty much good. So all you have to do now is go ahead and follow along. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It is super crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys with Uncover. I'm going to downgrade, and then I'll show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, we got all the settings for this Uncover Gold's Downgrade Edition, and we've got the load tweaks, we got like refresh cache, whatever. There's tons of settings on here that are pretty crazy in my opinion, so you can go ahead and play around with them, test them out, do whatever you want. You can see we got the export, enable auto updates, really just cool settings that can help enhance your experience. Regardless, what you want to do, guys, is just press downgrade, and of course you already have the blob for whatever version you wanted to downgrade to on your device. So let's just give it a minute for the downgrading process to go at it. Let's just let it load. And this is actually a pretty quick process. As you can see, it is loading the blob file. So let's just let it load here. As you can see, ensuring resources. Okay, let's just give it a second. As you can see, it did successfully save it. So let's just give it a minute to go ahead and finish. All right, it is purging the updates, guys. It is going to bring us back to an older version of iOS. So let's just let it finish its process here. As you can see, loading. Okay, almost done. So as you can see, it says downgrade completed, no error occurred. The device will now reboot into this older version of iOS. So you just press OK, and as you can see, guys, it is now doing it right here. We got the little line of code going on, so let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and finish, guys. It should be a pretty quick process, so let's just let it load. All right, it's at the end now, so we should get the I think it's like an update style progress bar, as you guys can see right here. So let's just give it a minute for this to reach the end. All right, it's almost there, guys. Really crazy. Awesome stuff. So the bar's at the end now, so we should get the circle going around and around in the prompt. So there we go. And as you can see, it says downgrade successful. So now we can just go ahead and turn on our phone. And I'm going to go ahead and go to settings and show you guys that, yes, I did successfully downgrade. So it does say downgrade successful. So let's go to settings and check it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it load here. And as you can see, guys, right here, it says software update. I am on iOS 14.3. So if you want to do this, guys, I'm going to show you the download process from the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so I can show you guys how to download the Uncover Gold from the very beginning. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this amazing website. Let me just go ahead and show you guys right here. So the website's called uncover.co. Put the 0 instead of the O. This is the download page for the Uncover Gold Downgrade Edition. So once you're on this website, guys, you're going to see right here it says download, and this is super crazy. I can't believe it actually works. So once you're on the website, you want to press downgrade, and then as you can see, it says downgrade, view signed SHSH blobs. These are for every single version of iOS, and it tells you some important information. So you just press that, and as you can see, guys, here they all are. So basically, this is a very simple thing, guys, but make sure that whatever version you want, you just click the link, and this will install a profile onto your device. So it says, do you want to allow this? And you just press allow, and then just press close, and then all you have to do is go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to your device. So let me just go to settings right here, and then you want to find profile downloaded at the top, press on that, then just go ahead and press install. After you press install, just press next, and then press install again, and there's a final prompt in red, and then just go to your home screen, press done, or just press the home button, whatever, and now you will see it on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, give it a try, get the word out about it. Make sure you press downgrade when you're on the website, guys, so you can download those blobs for whatever version you wanted. Really cool, guys. I can't believe it actually works, but it does. Awesome stuff. Definitely go ahead, get the word out about this. I cannot believe it actually works, guys, but it does. Really cool. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.